Students, after completing the chapter, basic geometrical ideas, now we have started next chapter, that is understanding elementary shapes. In this chapter, we already learned how to draw a line segment of a given length and how to measure the length of a given line segment in complete centimeters also and a fraction of centimeters, that is centimeters and millimeters. Say for example 12.7 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter. How to draw such lines and how to measure such length of such lines whose length is a fraction of centimeter, we have already learned. Today we will learn angles. Already you learned angle is formed when two rays meet. Angle, or you can say angle formed when two line segments meet at one common point, which you already learned. Now today we will study the different types of angles and their measurement. The first we will study the right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degrees. One complete revolution is 360 degrees. Remember that. One complete revolution, say a minute's hand at 12 in a watch, it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and comes to 12. This one complete revolution is 360 degrees. Now you can see 90 degrees is a quarter, 1/4 of a complete revolution. This is here also you can see in a protractor, this is the 90 degrees and remaining this is also will be 90 degrees. Here if you take a window, the corners are each is 90 degrees. Even if you take your notebook, the corners are 90 degrees. In this watch 9 o'clock is 90 degrees. Not only 3 o'clock also it will be 90 degrees. Now we'll go for straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees is called straight angle. You see a straight line, then this complete angle will be 180, and downwards also it will be 180. This will also be 180. So 180 plus 180, so 360. One complete revolution is 360, that's why we call it. This is an example of straight at 6 o'clock, it will be 180 degrees. From this side also it is 180. You have a staircase, this complete line is a 180 degrees. Now we'll go for the acute angle. An angle less than right angle is called acute angle. That is, an angle less than 90 degrees, because right angle is 90 degrees, is called an acute angle. See 30 degrees is an acute angle. This is an acute angle because right angle will be in a 3 o'clock time it will show. Now up to this it is 90, up to this it is 90, it is less than 90, it is acute angle. 30 degrees acute angle, 20 degrees, 65 degrees, 75 degrees, even 85 degrees is also an acute angle. Here also you can see this is 60 degrees in acute angle. If you go beyond a little up to 90, then it is a right angle. Complete, it is a right angle. This complete is a right angle. But this red angle, what you see red color, it is a 60 degrees, that is acute angle. Now some real life example of acute angles. You can see this piece of this pizza, and here this cake pastry is an acute angle. Acute angle. Here this in the road Y junction, this is an acute angle. At 2 o'clock, the angle between the minutes and hours hand is an acute angle. In a scissor, this angle is acute, not this one, please. This is another angle which I will tell in the next slide. This angle is an acute. Okay. In this diary, this not diary, I'm sorry, this is a laptop. In this laptop also, this is an acute angle, because if it is straight up, then only 90. It is cross, no? So it's acute angle. It opened only up to acute angle.